Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create custom recipes for Minecraft Fabric 1.21.11. First, let's make the project. So let's open IntelliJ and press new project. Let's click on Fabric and change your version down to 1.21.11. Let's call this custom recipe demo. Let's change the Loom version down to 1.15.5. We're going to be using Java 21 for this. Everything else looks great, so let's press create. Now press Setup SDK and click on your version, which for me is Java 21. Now give it a few moments for everything to load in. Now that everything is loaded in, let's get started. I'm going to maximize this window first and open up this on the left. Now let's go down to SRC and main Java, and this is our Java code, but we won't actually be using any of this for today. We can actually close all of these Java files as there won't be any Java necessary for this. We can open resources here, make sure this is under main and not client. We won't be touching that. Now we can open our fabric.mod.json file, and we're going to copy this ID. Now in the resources folder, we're going to right click, new, directory, data, slash, now we're going to press Ctrl V to paste in that ID, and now slash recipe. Now we're going to create a JSON file for our recipe. Each recipe needs their own JSON file. Also, there's two kinds of recipes. There's shaped and unshaped, and we'll be using both of them so you can see the difference. We're going to start with the unshaped recipe. So let's make a new file and let's just call it example item unshaped.json. Of course, the name can be whatever you want. Now inside, we're going to add a little bit of JSON. Make sure you have the type as crafting shapeless because we're going to be making a shapeless item. For ingredients, the order does not matter. You can just list things. And if you have custom items, you can include those too, including your mod ID and then the item. The result is what you get out of the other side of the crafting table. So these go in as ingredients, and then this is what you get. The shapeless means that you can put the ingredients in any order and you'll get the result. So here, the result would just be 1 diamond. And if we increase this count to like 3, for example, then we'll get 3, and let's go with that. Now let's create another JSON file for our shaped item. Let's call it example item shaped.json. Now similar to the other file, we are actually going to change this here. So instead of crafting shapeless, it's crafting shaped. And also unlike this file right here, this JSON actually has a pattern. Because it's shaped, you have to put the items in the crafting table in a specific way. So here we have 3 Ds, then there's some spaces, S space, and the same down here. And you're probably wondering, what do these D's and S's even mean? Well, there's a key down here which helps you understand. So the D's mean dirt, so it's 3 dirt at the top, then a space, S being stick, so it's no item, stick, no item, and then the same thing, no item, stick, no item. And once again, we get the result as 1 item that you're going to get out, and we can of course increase the count here. Also, like the other one, you can also include your own items. If you have any custom items, just replace Minecraft with your mod ID and replace the other side with the item name. Now that's all we need to do, so let's test this out. If you click up here where it says current file, you can go to Minecraft client and then press play. Now if you run this for the first time, it might take a moment. Alright, so now let's go to single player and let's create a basic creative world to test this out in. Alright, so let's get ourselves a crafting table here. And for our recipes, this one uses dirt and stick, and so does this one. So let's just get some dirt and sticks out. So if we put in dirt and we put in stick literally anywhere, it doesn't matter because it's shapeless, we get 3 diamonds. And for our other recipe, we need to put it in a specific order. So if we do this, for example, it won't work because the recipe looks like this in the pattern, and the sticks have to be down like this in the middle. So if we put both sticks like this, we get a diamond sword. And that's all there really is to it for custom recipes in Minecraft Fabric 1.21.11. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment for more. Adios.